What's going on, guys? I'm Brian, this is Ryan, we're from DTF Transfer, and today we're going to show you our brand new DTF Transfers app. Alright Ryan, so I got the app pulled up. First things first, it can be downloaded on both the iOS and the Google Play Store, so whether you're an Android or iPhone user, you can get it.
Absolutely.
So let's just dive into this right now. Homepage, as you can see, you can just get your DTF transfers or get your blanket panel right off the bat there. And you scroll down, this is just our homepage, as you can tell. Basically the same as our mobile site. We have our pricing instructions, some blank stuff. And you'll see these tabs down here at the bottom. You hit the transfers. These are all the transfers that we offer here at DTF Transfers, from DTF to UV DTF. Then we also have our DTF and UV DTF gang sheet builders.
You can build a gang sheet on the phone.
You can build a gang sheet on the phone.
You used to not be able to build a gang sheet on the phone.
Well, you can build it. You can't just build it on the phone. You can build it in our app.
It's got to be on the app.
It has to be on the app.
I see.
So that is one of the nice perks of the app, is you can actually use our gang sheet builder directly in the app. You don't have to be on the laptop or desktop or whatever. You just do it right here. So then you keep going. We got all the other transfers we offer, from 3D puff, spangle, glitter, gold foil, silver foil, and our names and numbers. So then you go to this next tab. We got our blanks. T-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, hats, you know, everything. Everything. Wow. Everything. Drinkware, and you can shop all blanks here if you want. And it'll just take you to all our blanks. And if we go back here, let's hit the back button. And you can also, you can check out your cart. We've integrated our seamless checkout, so it's super easy to go through and, check out. There's no real hiccups there. It's the same exact process. You have your account too if you're logged in, so you can access some of your prior orders, whether that's gang sheet orders or DTF by size orders. All that's still accessible through the app. And you also have our side menu here where you can get even more granular. We have our stickers, designs, the supplies, support, FAQ, all that good stuff.
That's incredible.
It is, right?
I know. We've been talking about it. People have been asking about it. And now it's finally here. And I gotta tell you, Brian, it looks pretty sweet.
It does. It does. It does look pretty sweet. It's just DTF Transfers in an app. You can place your orders, whether it's blanks, transfers, whatever you want. You can get it right here in the mobile app. So download today and DTF yourself.